Various types of capacitors are available in market. For example, spherical capacitor, cylindrical capacitor, and parallel capacitor. Simplest and most widely used capacitor is parallel plate capacitor. Okay. Now in parallel plate capacitor, it consists of two large plane parallel plates. Okay, each of plates having area A. Separation between two plates is D. Alright, and surface charge density of this plate is plus sigma, and surface charge density of this negatively charged plate is minus sigma. Okay, now the charge on this positively charged plate, charge on positively charged plate is equal to, okay, we know that surface charge density sigma is equal to Q by A. So Q is equal to sigma into A. Okay, now for this positively charged plate, charge is plus sigma into A, and charge on negatively charged plate is equal to minus in sigma A. Alright, now in the outer region of two plates, net electric field is 0, because electric field at this point due to this plate, positively charged plate, is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, and electric field at this point due to this negatively charged plate is minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Okay, so net field is 0. Okay, similarly at this region also. Now in, okay, so in the outer region, electric field is, net electric field is 0. Okay, now in the inner region of two plates, net electric field E is equal to, okay, in the inner region, direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Okay, so both the electric fields will be add up. The electric field due to this positively charged plate is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, and electric field due to this negatively charged plate is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Okay, so both the electric fields will be add up and we get sigma upon epsilon naught. Okay, this is the electric field between the two parallel plates, sigma upon epsilon naught. Alright, now this is our electric field, and we know that V is equal to ED. So potential is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught into D. Okay, our aim is to calculate capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor. So we know that capacitance C is equal to charge divided by potential. Okay, now charge on these two plates is sigma into A divided by potential is this sigma upon epsilon naught into D. Okay, now this sigma cancel, and epsilon naught now is in numerator, So epsilon naught A divided by D. This is the formula for capacitance for a parallel plate capacitor. Okay. Through the formula we can say that capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends on area of each plate, separation between two plates, and a dielectric medium or a permittivity of medium between two plates, this epsilon naught. Okay, now लास्ट में मैंने आपसे कहा था कि 1 फैराडे वैल्यू का कैपेसिटर पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ओके, सो मैं अभी उसका रीज़न आपको समझा रहा हूँ. ना spherical capacitor, consider an isolated spherical conductor having radius r and charge q is uniformly distributed on the spherical conductor. Okay, so charge q is uniformly distributed on the surface of this conductor. Okay, now potential at any point on the surface of this spherical isolated conductor is V is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q divided by radius, okay, of this conductor. So this is the potential at any point on this surface of a conductor. Now what is the capacitance of this conductor? So charge is capacitance C is equal to q by V. Okay, then q, and in place of V I write 1/4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. Okay, so this charge q is cancelled. Okay, so I get capacitance C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, now what is the radius of spherical capacitor if my capacitance value is 1 फैराडे. ओके, सो हमको रेडियस फाइंड करनी है एक स्फेरिकल कैपेसिटर की कि जिसका कैपेसिटेंस 1 फैराडे हो. ओके, सो आर इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ओके, और सी की वैल्यू हम क्या ले रहे हैं 1 फैराडे डिवाइडेड बाय 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ओके, सो वी नो दैट के इज इक्वल टू 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट और के की वैल्यू क्या होती है 9 × 10⁹. ऑलराइट, सो 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट की वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 9 × 10⁹ × 1. ओके, सो ये मीटर में आया हमारा रेडियस. ओके, सो ये आंसर हमारा आया 9 × 10⁹ मीटर मीन्स 9 × 10⁶ किलोमीटर. ओके, सो इस रेडियस का अगर हमारे पास कंडक्टर हो तो उसका कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू क्या होगा 1 फैराडे. सी रेडियस देखो 9 × 10⁶ किलोमीटर. ओके, और अर्थ का रेडियस का वैल्यू क्या है 6400 किलोमीटर और 6 × 10⁻³ किलोमीटर्स। ओके, सो ये जो वैल्यू है ये 1500 टाइम्स अर्थ की रेडियस से ज़्यादा है। ऑलराइट, इसीलिए 1 फैराडे वैल्यू वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। ऑलराइट, सो वी कंक्लूड दैट 1 फैराडे इज़ वेरी लार्ज यूनिट ऑफ capacitance and which is not possible. Alright, now पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर का हमने क्या देखा, फॉर्मूला C = ε0A/d। so now if we have parallel plate capacitor and plate separation between them is 3 mm, plate area is 6 × 10⁻³ मीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, सो सेपरेशन हमें दे दिया है 3 mm। ओके, एरिया हमें दे दिया है 6 × 10⁻³ ओके, ये सेपरेशन को मैं मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ ना। और this capacitor is connected with a power supply of 100 volt। okay, now हमें इसका कैपेसिटेंस फाइंड करना है। सो कैपेसिटेंस C = ε0A/d। ε0 की क्या वैल्यू होती है, 8.85 × 10⁻12 मल्टीप्लाई विथ एरिया 6 × 10⁻³ डिवाइडेड बाय सेपरेशन क्या है 3 × 10⁻³ ओके। सो ये 8.85 को मैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली 9 लिखता हूँ, तो 3 × 3 = 9 ओके, 6 × 3 = 18। सो 18 मल्टीप्लाई विथ, अभी पावर्स ये -3 पावर अगर ऊपर चली जाए तो +3 हो जाएगी, तो ये पावर कैंसिल। सो ये रिमेनिंग पावर इज़ ओनली 10⁻12 ओके। सो ये हमारा आंसर आया फैराडे। देखिए पिको फैराडे में आंसर आया है। ओके, नाउ अगर इस दोनों प्लेट का अगर चार्ज हमको फाइंड करना हो, सो वी नो दैट C = Q/V, Q = CV। ओके, सो 18 × 10⁻12 और ये जो कैपेसिटर्स की प्लेट है इनको 100 वोल्ट के पावर सप्लाई के साथ जॉइंट किया है, तो ये 100 वोल्ट ओके। नाउ आंसर इज 18 × 10⁻10 कूलम। ऑलराइट, सो ये हमारा चार्ज आया।